Hey guys, what's up? Arvin here. Now today, in this video, I am going to show you how you can effectively separate the music from the vocals or the vocals from the music from the music video that you have just recently downloaded from the internet by using this application. There's also an Android and iOS version of this. Okay, so if you are interested, watch this video. Okay, so by the way, the name of this web app and iOS or application for iOS and Android is called Moises. You know, Moises, the guy, you know, like that. That's it. Because this application effectively separates the music, the vocals, the instrument part. By the way, the instrument part from the vocals, from the vocals. So let's say if you are during my college days, I used to play. I play the drums for a metal band. Okay, and during those days, we only listen to cassette tape. We buy these cassette tapes, or we recorded the music from the radio, and then we recorded the cassette tape. We play it, and then I try to play along with it and try to learn the drum part while I can still hear the vocals. I can still hear the bass and the guitar part. Now, this this application effectively separates the vocal parts from the drum part, so that let's say if I wanted to learn the drums of this one, this music, I can just simply listen to just the drum track. Okay, so I know how. I don't need the notes or the musical notes or the notes. I just, because me, I only learn I only learned how to play the drums all by myself on my own, and I just listen to it, and then I try to play it on the drum set. And by the way, thank you for my parents for buying me my very first drum set. Thank you, Nay. Bale na, happy Teachers Day ulit. Okay. So, okay. Ngayon, let's say if you're into, let's say if you're a singer, let's say I can see a lot of Facebook page or music videos or YouTube channels where they do covers. Now, what you can do now, well, if you can do a way around the copyright issue if they try to to use their music, okay? Or let's say if you're working in a let's say you're going to you're making a video presentation or a presentation for your company or your group, and there is a music video that you wanted to there's a music in this music video that you wanted to use. Now, unfortunately, you cannot find the karaoke version is crap. I don't know. Especially if you try to find a karaoke version of the music that you wanted to listen to, it is not exactly the same as how the band played it. Okay, it's sounded very machine, or how you call this. I don't know, but I hate I hate the karaoke version that you can find of the music on the internet or YouTube. Okay, so this is actually the exact band playing the music, and all you have to do is just download the video from the internet. It doesn't matter where you get it, okay, and then you upload it to this web app, or let's say on your Android OS or your Android application or iOS. Uploaded it, just give it a few seconds. Okay, it may take a minute or two depending on how fast your internet connection is, and then it will send you back the music or the audio of the music video that you have just uploaded to Moises application in a separate track. Now, all you have to do now is just click on this application or on the track that you wanted to remove, so that you can listen to whatever is the remaining track on the screen. Okay, or you need to just simply register, just give them your email address, and that's it. Okay, now let's say if you are planning to make money out of this, good for you. I would highly suggest for you to buy the pro version. This is not a paid advertisement of Moises. I just recently found out about this, and I'm so excited to make a video about this to share it to you guys, because I myself would use this if I had this in my disposal during the time that I was really into a band or really into music, and I would use this in a heartbeat. Okay, now let's say if you're planning to use this to make money, or you're going to make money out of this, buy the pro one. Okay, this is just a nice way to give back to the developer of this application. Okay, and by the way, because it uses an artificial intelligence that they developed. Correct me if I'm wrong, Moises developers. Okay, and it uses an artificial intelligence to effectively separate all the music part or the instrument parts. Okay, and it will give to you at the at your fingertips. You have full control of it. Okay, and then you can download the, let's say you can already download the process one and use it. Okay, so it's up to you how you're going to use it. Okay, so I believe that's it. And if you still have any questions on how to use this web app or the Moises application, please just comment down at the comment section. Okay, so there you have it. I do hope you like this video. I do hope that you learned something from this video again. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. And let's say if you have friends who's into music or into singing or into music, okay, just please share this video to them. And if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so see you all in my next video.